Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're here, you're probably curious about ServiceNow. Whether you're a total beginner or you're a seasoned pro, you are in the right place. My name is David, I'm a ServiceNow developer, and I'm on a journey to master ServiceNow. So I will be documenting everything that I've learned along the way. If you're just starting out or you're looking for tutorials or tips, I've got you covered. ServiceNow is a powerful platform which is used by businesses worldwide. It is used to manage their IT services, human resource services, configuration management database, automation, and so many things. Therefore, let's face it, it can be a bit overwhelming trying to navigate this platform. I'll be covering navigating the platform, what is ServiceNow, what actually does it do, breaking down complex topics into simple, actionable steps, flow designer, automation, building apps, and also enhancing our development skills. Together, we will achieve this. So hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Together, we will grow as ServiceNow experts. I'll be releasing video each and every week. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.